The boys on my right and the girls on my left. One girl and one boy will be the winner of the Toon Fest Kid Model Search 2011 here in SM City, San Pablo. Awesome! So I'm sure meron na kayong napupasuan. Sino gusto yung manalo? Meron ba kayong mga bets? Ayan o, meron na dito. Wow, ang daming fan supporters for sino sa inyo? Oh, okay. 106 ang gusto ninyo. Wow. O meron pa? Sino pa? May mga bet? Yes, sino dito? 100, of course. Ang dami ng bets kung sino mananalo. Sino po ba yan sa back? I'm sure excited. Yes, 72, 103. Ang dami ng, I'm sure, awesome talaga ang support. The judges, nahihirapan sila. I can feel that. I know how that feels, okay? So amazing. So now, look at all naman at our called back people. Sila ang ating final contestants para sa ating model search here sa Toon Fest, di ba? It really is such a good selection of young winners. Nice. Let me now tell you, review ulit of what is to expect. Ano yung ma-receive nilang prizes. This is awesome because each winner, one girl and one boy, each will receive a 5,000 GC from SM Kids Fashion Department Store. Aside from that, they will be featured in Philippine Daily Inquirer and also in Junior Inquirer, pati na rin sa BC Magazine, di ba? That will jumpstart their modeling career. And also, they will also get the chance to be picked to be part of the SM Kids Fashion. So if you can see, that could be your kid over there. The girl who's posing here, that could be your kid. So, and all the ads that we see, the print ads of SM City Kids Fashion, that could be your kid, okay? So, I'm sure excited na kayo malaman kung sino ang mga winners ninyo, alright? So, as you can see, we have 18 girls again, and we have 10 boys to choose from. Ang dami talaga nagagandahan girls, and I'm sure nahihirapan na ating mga judges. Sina? Athena, Sylvie, andyan yung ating judge. Andyan si Sir Jenny Belen, and also, we also have Kent Rodriguez, and our DTI representative, Ronald Formentera. We will also be sharing the stage who will be giving the prizes to the winners, rather. She will be Miss Anna Nara. We'd like to call on stage to award the winners, Miss Anna Nara, who is the Regional Manager of SM Department Store. She will be with us on stage to give the prizes to our winners, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause please for Miss Anna Nara, Regional Manager of SM Department Store. So cute the selection, no, Miss Nara? Okay, we'd like to ask, lalapit kami ni Miss Nara, okay? I'd like to ask Miss Nara a few questions. Ang daming cute, di ba, Miss Nara? Nahihirapan ba kayo sa decision? Sa tingin niyo, nahihirapan kayo judges sa mangyayari na decision?
I think so. Bakit magaganda?
At sila talagang may personality. Gosh, talagang it's really hard to become a judge right now. Meron ba kayo napapasuan kanina? I'm sure meron. I'm sure meron tayong mga type. Diba? Diba? I'm sure meron. Ito talaga meron talaga tayong mga napupusuan na marami. And I'm sure yung mga audience natin dyan, maraming nag-cheer kanina kung sino yung mga parang favorite nila, diba? So, Miss Nara, how is SM now? Ano yung ba yung trip nilang fashion? Ano ba yung choose na fashion yun for kids? Diba colorful? And itong mga style, talagang kuha-kuha ba nila yung SM Kids fashion?
Kasi yung Toon Fest ngayon, it's more on, sabi nga, activator style. So, kailangan yung layering, very colorful dapat.
So it was really important to activate your style. That's what Toon Fest is all about. And then in fairness naman talaga, the parents did a wonderful job. So actually, I'd like to take this opportunity. Parents, can I see the parents over here? Can you raise your hand? Yes! Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong sarili because you guys are amazing parents. You were responsible for all of the layering, the styling that you did to your kids, and also for giving them the confidence to join a contest like this one. Diba? As you can see, ang cute talaga ng pag-layer ng accessories and ng outfit. Talagang na-activate ang style ng Toon Fest. Alright? So, kinakabahan ako for them. Grabe. I don't know kung sino talaga yung mananalo. Sino nga yung mga bet natin? Sino yung mga bet din yung mananalo? Numbers ano? Shut up! Confident talaga. Yes! 100 gusto nila, diba? 141 ang gusto nyo. Wow! Sino pa? Wow! 100. Wala kasi 106 ang gusto nyo, right? Ang dami talagang pambato ng mga people. 119 ang gusto naman nila. Wow! Ang dami-dami. Mahirap talaga itong decision for our judges. Gosh, ako, kinakabahan ako for them. I don't know what to expect. Oh, cute ng mga kids. Oh, kids, can you say one last hi to your parents? Can you wave to your parents over there? Wave to your audience there, oh. Because kayo na you will get this really strong chance to be one of the SM Kids models, diba? I'm sure you guys are excited na to find out kung sinong winners, right? Ayan, diba? You're very excited to dance. Mga bibo talaga itong mga kids na kasama natin ngayon. Oh, again, it's been a wonderful afternoon. Very easy pa to join, right? All they did was just to register, take their photos, and then now rampa. And then what an amazing opportunity na binigay ng SM Department Store for our contestants right now. So we're gonna find out kung sino ang mag-represent ng SM City San Pablo here for this Toon Fest 2011. So I've been spending the entire day with you guys. May tatlo tayong batches. There were more than 100 kids who signed up. 141 to be exact, according to Miss Ana Nara. 141 kids joined here sa SM City, San Pablo. And you know what? It's been such a great thing to see all of the kids, all of the batches, to be spending the day with you guys. Again, by the way, today's a Saturday. You can catch my show 8:30 a.m. sa TV5. Batibot po yan. Ako po dun si Ate Maya. Ngayon po ako po si Ate Kaki. So since I'm spending the day with you guys. So again, ang cute-cute, and I'm sure malapit na po yung results for the from the judges. This is really very, very exciting. Ma'am, meron po ba tayong ibang branches sa Laguna? Aside from San Pablo?
We have SM Batangas on September 17.
SM City Batangas naman. Yun na yung aabangan. How about, may Kalamba po ba? SM Kalamba.
Meron ka lang ba? I just forget the date.
Meron din po SM Kalamba, and also, we also will be having SM City Batangas na malapit po.
Next week daw, Kalamba. So yung mga gusto pa mag-join, pwede po kayo pumunta sa Kalamba.
That's a good recommendation. You can also join, since it will be next week, SM Kalamba and also Batangas. Wow. I have the winners in my hands right now. Ito na talaga yung official list of winners. Okay? So, I will be saying the winner, and Miss Analar will be with me to give the award to the winner. Okay? So, are you guys ready to hear kung sino po yung nanalo? Na boy at girl? Sige po, ready po kayo. Magpalakpakan po tayo para sa ating contestant. You guys were awesome. You did an amazing job. You can check their pictures on SM Kids Fashion on Facebook. You can even download their pictures. They're amazing. Okay? I'm sure he can't wait. He can't wait na. Kaya ako, hindi ko na siya paantayin pa. I will announce the winner. For the boys, our winner is... Skyler Fitzgabriel!
Put your hands up in the air. 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 Put your hands up in the air.
Congratulations, Skyler!
Put your hands up in the air.
Wow! Congratulations! This is our boy winner from SM City, San Pablo. we want to find out kung sino yung partner mo, right? You want to find out na, Skylar? You want to find out kung sino yung girl? Right? Okay. We will see kung sino yung girl, okay? Now, for the girls. The SM Toothfest 2011 Female Kid Model for sa SM City San Pablo is Althea! Congratulations! Palakpakan po sa lahat ng mga kasama sa callback. And of course, to our grand winners, Althea and Tyler. Have a big smile for our audience. Smile! Smile for the camera. Congratulations to our winners from SM City San Pablo. You have received all the prizes that I mentioned earlier. Yan o, post me together, Skylar. Thank you also to our participants. You can check them